Luar Kapatisi TV.
Umitram baka zilla konrat kongkal sangma ula pentip baka jing Shimti jongka sarkar yeki skul SSE baka jing pentri kampura yeka rukam siu tulap shaki khatsau hajar ngot tam Nonghikai SSE haka zilla kalajan poi artat shaka khep ka Khatduh ya kari la pentip do president jongka Mikhalia SSE School Association uba Aristotle Sirambai hadin ka jing kendu yang mentrang ba haka khatlai Tarik Risaw arja pusan Uba rembai ulai thu baka sarkar kala penben ban pelong ya ka jing kendu lang haka Khatduh Tarik Risaw arja pusan banyak rensani halor kini ki artli kiman bat kinongyalam jong Nonghikai School SSA
Habang ilayo ban discuss halor ki artli ki agenda banong kong kalong namanta ban Shimti ya ki SSA School kong ki government school bat ka baada pataban pentri kam ya ka pay structure nakmenta ketulok jong Nonghikai SSA. Ban ngasokmen ban yatu sebaro Nonghikai SSA hapo jala Meghalaya ba meeting menta kasni kalong ka ba Risaw. It's a very constructive and positive meeting. And again the Honorable Chief Minister in Sakot biang ya ka meeting haka Thursday this week haka tingdong katnam jong Education Minister sa Kementerian but the official jong Education Department namar kidang don sakatu kani ki benta ki bangi padang hapan ya discuss. But katu kajing itu jong Honorable Chief Minister baka file na benta jong ki SSA kata kini ki arti ki demand kata ka ban Shimti ya ki SSA school ban longkom ki government school but ban pentek kam ya ka pay structure na ki benta ki SSA ka don benta haka final stage kani ka proposal ka don haka final stage haka sini Thursday will be more clear regarding our issues. Today we have just had a meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma, and we have discussed two key agendas. And number one is regarding the proposal of the state government for taking over of SSA school to the government. And number two is regarding the implementation of pay structure for SSA teachers. So the meeting today is a very positive meeting, and on Thursday again there will be a meeting to be chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma in the presence of Honorable Education Minister Sir Kementerian and all the official of the Education Department, and that meeting will take place on this Thursday this week. Honorable Chief Minister informed the association that the paperwork regarding the long pending issues of the SSA teachers, that is pertaining of taking over of SSA school to the government, it's at the final stage. And number two, regarding the implementation for pay structure for SSA teachers, also it is in the final stage. And on Thursday there will be a meeting, and on that meeting everything will be placed in the meeting, and I think on Thursday we will inform you.
Pin real squad, ya kak tin la jong pin dam kam, ya kabakan kiyo kak tin kasi, kak tin la jong, I kan roy kan pa. Balay pi ong gate, habangi don la ka jong kak tin kasi, kerdok lani palor. Beli lani khang ya katuka palor ni juya ong saka weipan kakten khasi kam ju ong ban ya kiw yau up hinrangi kiw yau thep to da yakan mau kendit ho lapan mi da kapati CTV na kabenta ka jingmentoi upat ba